Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the BMW X3 35i N55 and this brand new BimmerHausPerformance front mount intake, which is currently the only front mount intake available on this platform. Today we're going to install it, give you guys some sound clips, and give you a full walkthrough of how to remove the stock airbox intake system and install the new BimmerHausPerformance F25 intake system. So this kit comes with everything you need: clamps, PCV, hoses and whatnot, even an extender so you don't have to mess with any wiring. It'll hook up directly to the turbo inlet. This setup should even give you a little more horsepower. First up, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, get some stock sound clips, then we'll start removing. Okay, to start off, to remove this box, it actually isn't held in by anything other than some grommets and this flathead. This should pop right out. We will have to unplug the mass airflow back here, undo this flathead, and of course we'll take this cover off. Okay, now that the airbox is out of the way, I'm going to remove the next flathead down here and this fellow. That way it'll just be easier and come out in one piece. Okay, now we have the stock intake system fully out of the car. We are going to have to transfer over sensor right here and swap it over to the new one. Hardware is provided, and I'm going to go ahead and chop the rubber parts of the intake where I need to. And yeah, this is roughly the layout assembled out of the car. Do still have to put the clamps on and adjust it more. We do have the PCV hose, crankcase hose, and the MAF extender. Looks like a very high quality filter, along with the shield. And yeah, I'm excited to get this on.